Hi guys, I'm just showing you my bike check. Okay, start at the top. Well, got teal ODIs, really rare to find now. Don't know why I stopped making them. Salt cable, We People Crysis bars, another ODI and bar end. Salt stem, basically everything's salt. S&M stickers on the bars and shit. We People Crysis forks, good forks, good for foot jams. Got pitch raw tyres, whatever they're called, don't know. Teal kind of rims, like sealed ones. Can't remember what they're called. Well, salt front hub, feels good. We People Crysis frame, brilliant frame, like it. Crysis seat, it's got teal underneath it as well. Yeah, I've said the cable. These are, I can't remember the name. Pedals are salt pedals. These are ecal, whatever they're called, whatever that says. Can't read it. You know, they're salt probably. Then got salt back hub, sealed rims. That's silver. This is the brake. Chain. I don't know. Normal chain, I guess. Salt 25T. Socket. Yeah, that's it. Overall, it's a good bike. I love it. It's dirty at the moment because I've been riding dirt at the moment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.